Hey ladies, what's up? So you guys remember, like, back in the day, I did it on my channel and others did it on their channel as well. It was like shop my makeup stash, my makeup tray, my monthly makeup tray, weekly, all the things, right? I used to do it on my channel as well. This is years ago. We going back, okay? Over 6 years ago. I want to kind of like bring that back because let me tell you the reason why. And what made me think of it, I just recently went makeup shopping, right? I went and got a bunch of stuff. I've seen a haul already. In addition to that, I just went back to Sephora 2 days ago, right? Yes, 2 days ago. And I picked up a lip gloss and a perfume, a little small one, just to kind of test it, see if I like it. And I was like, Kelly, you are about to fall right back into this makeup thing where you're gonna start having a ton of makeup. Like, I used to have a 3-drawer dresser full of makeup. I mean, palettes, brushes, all the things. You know, all the things. But meanwhile, I always have my core things that I like to use because, you know, once you find something that really works well, you know how to use it, you kind of stick with it. Hence my elf. You know what, let me pull out things that I normally use on the daily when I do my makeup, because this is not going to be a fair run if I keep putting the same thing back in. So let me be realistic here. Only things that I do not use on the daily. Okay, I'm going to take a few things out. I'm going to take out 3 things. That's horrible. Okay, so the 3 things that I put in this my little makeup basket is this. You guys already know, this ain't going nowhere. I have my clear gel that I use from Physicians Formula for my brows and my elf. This ain't going nowhere. These 3 things here, staple, central. So I'm putting them to the side. So no particular order. I'm just gonna start pulling out things just to kind of let you see what I'm gonna be using for the remaining of February in addition to March, because I'm gonna slash this month up until we get to, say, April. And then the new things that I bought, I can see myself entwining them things, because those things are more for like that lighter, you know, look. You know, I want to go for just a more clean look. You know, not looking like I have on makeup. You know, there's ways you can wear your makeup with. It's like questionable. You know, it's questionable. So, but I do love a good foundation. I'm not shying away from my foundation. I do like my foundation. I will wear my foundation, but just try something new. I want to preserve my skin, if you will. You know, you guys know I love a good matte and I got dry skin. And I'm very fortunate enough to even still have good skin. But let's get right into it. So for foundations, I have a little bit left in here. I want to use this up. I have it's a little bit left. And believe it or not, I've been giving her some heat. So she's kind of like right around here somewhere. So I want to kind of put a dent in these gals right here. I didn't even mention who they are. This is Dior. This is Dior Backstage. I love this. Now, I would repurchase this again because this is it's like a face and body. This is more even like a tinted moisturizer. This is something that I will probably always keep in my makeup arsenal. This is something, believe it or not, this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, I think this is what really turned me on to wearing a more natural, luminous, radiant finish foundation. This is what did it. She's nice. She's nice. She's nice. She's real nice. Concealers. Now, I did buy a ton of concealers, a ton, and I'm going to throw out one. I don't know where I put her. Oh, she's right there. I see her. I'm still thinking about if I'm going to throw her out or not, but she's just a staple. She's just a staple. So my concealers that I'm going to be using for underneath my eye, this is the Makeup Forever. This is the Makeup Revolution Bright Eyes. I believe I'm almost out of this. This is that twist up situation. So yeah, it's almost going to let you know exactly how much you have left, because it's not much in here. So I'm going to use this one up as well. And I have my shade is in tan. I'll leave everything down below so you can see exactly what I have. The Giorgio Armani, I don't know if it's called Luminous Silk. Is it called Luminous Silk? It might be called something. But this is the corresponding matchy, because you guys know I love a good match. I don't know where I get that from. I don't know. I don't know, but then I got the IRL finish filter. This is from Makeup Revolution as well. Makeup Revolution line is really nice. They sell it in Ulta, Target, you know, really nice. I mean, super affordable. I remember when it came out back in the day, it was a big deal, still a big deal, but I like this. I really do. It gives you that bright look. I picked these two because this one is more, it's kind of bright, but when it blends out, it's just kind of like very subtle, very subtle. I do like it though. I do like it. For primers, we're gonna go with the e.l.f. with the niacinamide in it, and we're gonna go with the Wet n Wild. Nice, cute, and simple. This is the brightening one, so it's a more of a watery primer. It doesn't get tacky or anything like that, but it's still nice, refreshing on the skin. Again, we're trying to go for more hydrating things. You know, we don't want to suck everything out. Now, I do have a little bit of this Dior left. This right here. Now I had so many of these little guys. I had so many. This is my last one, and she's almost gone. But this is a, I don't want to say mattifying primer, but it's just, it kind of, you know, locks in. And I have this this is it's like a luminizer to put underneath your foundation. That makes any sense. So I have this. Y'all, if you want to know what's going on with my face, I do have on Merit Beauty. So if you have not seen that video, go ahead and watch it. But I wanted to see how it was going to do on my face, and I knew eventually it was going to do the get me kind of oily up in here. But it's okay. I do like the look. I didn't put on any concealer. I didn't put on anything to kind of like spruce it up. I just put it on just to kind of just see how it works. Do I like it? Yes. Can I see myself, you know, evolving it and making it, you know, how I like it? Yes. But I need two more tries and whatnot, and we're, you know, I'm going to do a different type of video with that foundation. I just want to give you an introduction, and you know, use. For brows, I've been enjoying my Benefits brow pencil. You guys know I'm a NYX girl, but here we are. We're gonna keep her in the basket. I did go buy me a new NYX one. Where is she? Let me see. Oh, she's not even down here. But I did buy me a new NYX pencil because I felt like I needed her to be back in my space. So for lip glosses and lipsticks, I got some oldies but goodies from Jueva's Place. This is a new one. I have not yet opened it. I had it for some time now. It's time for me to, you know, crack this one open. I have some Maybelline lifter glosses, and I have a Buxom. I got a little bit left in here, and I want to use it up. So I'm trying to get some things that I just can kind of like get rid of. I bought so much stuff, y'all, and I have a rule. You can't bring nothing in until something goes out, and nothing hasn't left. So I went through my makeup. I cleaned everything up, got some baskets in my little cart, and I said, Kelly, the cart is getting full. Now, meanwhile, I am going away next month, right? And I'm gonna need some more setting spray, especially these mini guys. I do have a big one, so I'm not really worried about it, but I do need to get some more of these because I have an issue with using small stuff when I do my makeup at home. I use my big stuff for home and use my small stuff when I go away. But I can't go away with just this little bit. So I have to go get some more. Gotta get some more. And for mascara, this one is doing good. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I do have a one size down there, so a little sample one. So once this one finished drying up, we'll use that one. Fenty powder, I should not have put this one in. This one should have been on the side because I've always used this. I don't understand how this, I'm almost about to hit pan on this, almost. But I love this stuff. I would definitely repurchase that one. If not, I will get the Charlotte Tilbury one because I do have that one in here. And I use this for underneath my eye. This one right here. But they do have a darker shade that I can use on my my face. This is nice. I'm talking about powders. This here, I don't have a little pad. I gotta get one. This is nice. This is so nice for underneath the eye. I did buy some new setting powders. Oh, y'all, I did. Now, highlighter, I had put this in the back. I put it in the back. This is the Milani Stella Lights. This is such a pretty palette. It's super affordable. This is giving you all the height that you need. You can mix them, use them on their own. I do a little mix because it just gives a little nice shimmer. It's super nice. I mean, I look at it like this. There's some things you can go affordable on, and some things you can say, you know what, I'm going to treat myself. I pick and choose to treat, you know what I mean? And this was just one that I was like, we're gonna go affordable. We're gonna go affordable. Now, I am going to stab my hand back at the blush. You guys know I have the Rare Beauty. This one is in, I think this is Joy. Yeah, this is Joy. They have another one I want to try, but I'm not too sure. My daughter told me to chill out on the Rare Beauty, and I was like, I only got one thing, and she was like, that's what you need. This right here I do like. I do like this shade on me. It gives you that nice awake fresh look. It gives you like you've been drinking your water, you are exercising, all the things. That's what this is giving. That's why I like this. Now, you guys know I purchased these I purchased last year sometime, so they are approaching their almost year mark. So I need to get in there and use these guys. So this is the one I have. I have this one. I like the orange, really, really nice. Not so much that, I don't like it on my skin. I don't like it on my skin. I don't like it. Now this pink, I have not yet tried, but I think I did try this. I think I did. Did I can't tell, but I need to. So I'm gonna, you know, get back to my blush game, go light with it, not too heavy. Let me know if you have these, because this is what I'm gonna be using. Any of my makeup videos that I'm gonna be using for the month of the ending of February, in addition to March. If I bring a new product in, I'll use the product, but these are gonna be the things I'm gonna use to, you know, get my liner, my mascara, you know, all the things, any primer that I need. I'll be using this. And just for some little odds and ends, I got me a lip pencil, which is this NYX Espresso. I got this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick. I got it when I was at Nordstrom's. I was like, you know what? Before I go head first into Bobbi Brown, I used to use Bobbi Brown before. Their foundation, really, really nice. Very hydrating, good for mature skin. But I want to get into their sticks. I mean, I really want to. I'm not an eyeshadow girl by any means, but I really think I would participate in the eyeshadow stick. You guys know I did buy some eyeshadow sticks from like Hard Candy, and I got one from NYX. But we'll see. I like to keep things simple now. You could have called me about 10 years ago, we would have been all up in them eyeshadow palettes. But I gotta keep it real simple. And I got an eyeshadow palette I've had for a long time that I probably shouldn't even use. But I did one dabble every now and then. I'm gonna get me some new palettes, maybe. We'll see. But I'm so used to using this because this gives me what I need. Let me know if you like that, like creature of habit type stuff. So I also got, it was like a little kit that I got. This is an eyeshadow stick, and this is the vitamin enriched eye primer. I didn't even know they had an eye primer. I know they had the vitamin E, just a regular face primer, but eye primer. So we have this, and you know, it's one thing about Bobbi Brown, they're gonna give you the glow, okay? I don't mean glow like Charlotte Tilbury glow. They're gonna give you the glow like this, you know, hydrated, you know, the hydrated skin. And I bought this a while ago, and I said, before I throw this in the garbage, I need to use it at least one time. This is called Chocolate. You guys remember this from back in the day? This is like those eyeshadow pots. I had this. I've never used it. I was you only use one. I did in it once, but I have not used it on my eyes. And I was also thinking maybe I could use it as a eyeliner. Start using like a brown liner. I was thinking about that. So I do have a couple of, let me see, where are you? I know I just washed one. Okay, this is the, yeah. So I was thinking about using this and doing like a brown liner, if that makes any sense. So kind of soften up my look. I mean, I don't wear a harsh look to begin with, but just to kind of give it more of a, just be a little bit more inviting, if you will, you know. Let me know if you have some products that you like to use often. You have a little makeup tray, you know, you exchange things in and out. Just let me know, are you doing that? If you are, what are some staples that you have to keep in there? I know for me, I told you guys, my Black Radiance is non-negotiable. I don't want to hear nothing about it. So let me know what's your non-negotiables.